Hey, it's Shubomi from Parallel Leads, and in this video, I will show you how to upload leads into a campaign in Rich Inbox. So the first thing, we went to the campaign right here, and how we this is how we go here. So we click on the particular campaign we want to upload the leads to. So let's say on this one, we click on it and we go to the leads section. Okay, so while we are in the lead section, obviously this is where all the contacts for the campaigns will be stored. So if you want to upload a new list, that one I explained earlier, if you want to know if a campaign needs a new list or it's time for us to upload a new list, this has to be together. So it just remains one more lead to be contacted. So once it's 148 out of 148, then we can go ahead and upload a new list. Yeah. So that's how we identify if a campaign is in need of new list. So if a company is in need of new list, we come here, add new. Yeah. So we click on it's usually in a CSV file. Yes, this is where all our lead data are contained in. So we just like click on either this one, or if you want to search for leads, we use this and we filter it based on the particular lead we are looking for. Then we import the lead. Yeah. So at minimum, our file, like the lead file, should always conclude. At minimum, we should always include the first name, last name, and email address. Then we can include any additional fields like the company or the role or the title, just for better personalization. So yeah, the next we'll be doing is, after that is been done, we're gonna map each column correctly. So like we're doing this in order to ensure that the system knows which data belongs to each field. So yeah, if we don't map correctly, it can actually break our personalizations in emails. Yeah. So after that is being done also, then and after that is being uploaded, yeah, basically that's just everything we need to know about uploading a list. And also we can just like confirm that the leads appear correctly in the campaign, and from there we can track the progress as emails are being sent. So yeah, that's how to upload and manage leads in a campaign, and I hope you understand the video. I'll see you on the next one.